Okay, so from your smartphone, you should have your app saved. There's a different tutorial video for that, but then you're going to open up your own app, very easy from your phone, and you see this little white button right here. This is called your Super Share button, and people recognize that as the share symbol nowadays. So if you were to click on your share symbol, the first way you can share is using your copy and paste, right? And you can just send that any way you want to. So you just click copy, and then you can go anywhere you want to, right? So if I go here and I say, all right, I want to copy it into a text message to somebody, I can just paste it in the text message. Boom, done. Copy and paste into any format or any type app that I want to. But let's say that I go back here and I hit my share button, and let's say that I want to send it by email. I like to use Gmail, so I'll pick Gmail at the bottom, and you can see it actually fills in the subject and the body of it. I can just choose who to send it to and then click send. I'm not going to send it, I'm going to discard it, but you get the point there. So now if we go back, we hit share. Let's say you want to post it as a social media post on Facebook, and you want to send it to, let's say, a news feed, right, post it right to your wall. So I would just post it right to my wall, and you can see it actually creates, it pulls an image, creates everything. All I have to do is just say, hey, check these guys out, they're really, really cool, and I've just created an entire post, and it's going to post it right to my Facebook news feed right there. I can send it via WhatsApp, via Messenger, so I can copy and paste. If I wanted to send a message instead of copying and pasting, I could just go straight to my Messages app, choose who to send it to, and then boom, it types it all up for me instead of me having to copy and paste. So no matter how you want to share it, you would just hit the Super Share button, and you would just find recent people you've communicated with, or scroll through and find the app or platform that you want to share on from your app list, and it will automatically sort of create everything that you need, and you would just simply either create the recipient or put a little message to go with it. It'll post it to your wall or send it as a message to whoever you want to send it to, and it works with all platforms: Messenger, Instagram messages. If you went on Instagram, you would decide who to send it to. You would just click send, and it would literally, and you know what, I'll send it to Easy Biz Card, because that's me. Done. So I just sent the link to Easy Biz Card. Sent just now, and it sent it, to Easy Biz Card. You can see there it is, Naughty Docs and Lifts. So anyway, it goes on and on and on. Super easy using your Super Web Share right from your phone.